Hello, this is Ned Vito with Insurance Shoppers, and I just wanted to record this video real quick to just show you a little bit about this page and how to best read and understand the results that you just received on this page and how to make the most out of it and save the most money. So I'm just going to scroll down here a little bit, and that's what I want you to do as well. And this is where the results are. In this case, we're looking at a 10-year term quote. I think I was on a 52-year-old male non-smoker. And by the way, these what's moving up here, though, this is the testimonials that we've sort of put together over the last few years. It's just a few of them, and it's basically clients that are happy with their services. So if you're interested, you can take a look at that. But most importantly, about your quote, I just want you to know how to read this. So whenever you have done your own, this will be very similar, except the numbers here will be a little different. So before I actually go over this, I just wanted to go back here and go back and show you where you actually came from. You came from this page here, which basically you put in your name and your phone number and hopefully your email. If you didn't put your email in here, I would encourage you to go back and do that, because we'll actually send you a personalized quote that has a lot more information in it, things like such as renewal prices and company ratings and that kind of stuff. So put your email in here, click here once again to compare all these companies, and you're going to get back to this page. So again, the left column here is going to have the companies. Now this is basically all the companies in Canada, or most of them, that have this particular product, and it'll start with the cheapest company and it's going to go down towards the more expensive ones. So you can see here that RBC would be the top company price wise for this 10-year term policy. The premium is going to be $39.71. And then I also want you to pay a little bit of attention to this health rating, because it says here these are the first ones are going to be the P plus, which is the preferred plus rates. And I probably need to tell you at this point that not everybody is going to get the preferred plus rate. In fact, most people don't get it. It's about 25 to 30% at the most that will get this. And how this will be determined is by the medical results that the company will receive from you, and they will then see take a look at your health history and determine whether you are in just regular health, which is average, or are you in preferred or preferred plus, which is the best category. So if you qualify for this preferred plus rate and you go with RBC, this is the price. Manufacturer's Life, a little bit more expensive. Our BMO, we're talking pennies here and dollars. So it's the top 3 4 companies is usually what we recommend that you go with. And the other thing, if I scroll down here, you'll see that the P plus is going to start turning into the just PF. You can see here this is the first PF. Now PF stands for preferred, and preferred basically means that you're not quite the best preferred plus rate, but you're in between the regular and the preferred plus. It's slightly higher premium, and it starts at about $49 here with Wawanesa, Cooperators, Industrial, and so on. And then if I keep on scrolling down, you'll see that it's going to start going into the regular. RG means regular right here. And the first company that comes up is Canada Life, Great West, BMO Life, also about $54 a month. And this is the regular rate, which is what most people get. So the bottom line is that your premium is going to come in somewhere in between the regular here, which is 54, and if I scroll up again, the cheapest rate would be 39.75. So you're going to come in somewhere in between here, okay? And then the only other thing I wanted to go over is this AM Best rating, and that's basically the rating that AM Best gives to the insurance companies based on their financial strength and financial history and that kind of stuff. So it goes from A to C, A being the best, C being the worst. You actually won't find any C companies here. They're all going to be A or B. Most of them are A, so the better, the higher the rating, the better the company is. But you won't find any bad companies here. They're all good, and most of the time we recommend to go with one of the top 3. So in this case, I would probably recommend to go with BMO Life, even though they're not quite the cheapest. I find them to be very, very good to deal with on a customer service and underwriting basis, and easier to qualify for the preferred rates than with some other companies. Okay, so where do you go from here? Now that you've seen all these prices, what do you do? Well, you can actually go back and on the internet and do some more research, but if you want to save yourself some time, you don't have to do that, because you're going to find the same results everywhere, because all the brokers share the same results in the same companies. So If you're happy with what you see here, all you really need to do is one of two things. Either you can request some additional information from any particular company, so if you click on here, you're going to get to a screen for that. Or you can scroll down here, and if you're ready to, if you know which company that you like and you want to start an application with, just scroll down here, and there's a place where you can just click on the online application. Start an application online right here. So you click on that, you can fill in a few things, and basically that'll get you started. And what's going to happen after that is that the nurse is going to call you and come all over to your house and do the medical, and it takes about 3 to 4 weeks to be approved. So again, don't forget to give us your email so we can send you more information. You can request additional information or apply online right down here and get started. And thank you very much for listening. And if you need anything else, there is also a toll-free number here. You can always call us right here, and feel free to do that, and we'll get you more information. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll talk to you soon.